Hi whole class, so we're going to be looking at the whole as being 9, if you hadn't guessed already. So you might have been one step ahead of me again and already done some. If not, we're going to do some now, or if you want to pause the video and have a go at doing a couple on your own before I do some, again that's absolutely fine. I'm going to do 2 to show you, and then you're going to have a go on your own. So my whole is 9, I've got my toadstools again, because then that's the same, and we're just repeating it but with different numbers, and it's something similar to what you have already been watching. So let's put my spots on my toadstool. So I'm going to put 1, 2, I'm going to have 3 on that side, and I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember there are lots of different ways, but I'm choosing 3 as my part, and I've chosen 6 on the other side. Remember I had 9 as my whole, so if I choose one side, the remaining ones go on that side to make my other part. So 3 and 6 make 9. So if you want to pause the video and have a go at some of your own, again absolutely fine, but I am going to do one more. Remember there are lots of ways to do it. So here we have again my toadstools with my whole as 9. This time I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. So again my whole was 9, I had 9 spots, and on my red toadstool my part is 5, and on my yellow my part is 4. 5 and 4 make 9. Okay, so what I want you to do, pause the video and have a go at doing some of your own with 9 as your whole and 2 parts. Remember, if you want to challenge yourself, make 3 more or more parts, or you could do some bar models as well. But if you just want to do 2 parts, again that's absolutely fine, and you want to draw the toadstools, it's whatever works for you. Have a go. Don't forget to email those over to me, and then we're going to do a few other things as well. So as soon as you've done that, don't forget to play the video again for the rest of it. So here I have some bunting, but I don't have anything else with it. Okay, so I've got some bunting, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 pieces, so I know 9 is my whole, but they're all different. Okay, so what I want you to do, okay, is I want you to have a pause the video and look at this picture and have a think at how you could represent this using a cherry diagram. It could be in a bar model, it could even be in a number sentence. Okay, have a go at seeing the different ways that you could do it. I'll do one to show what I mean, and then have a go yourself. So I'm going to do a cherry diagram. Okay, so now my squeeze pen doesn't work very well on here, so I'm going to have a go at doing it. So there we go. Oh, it doesn't look too bad actually. There we go, there's my cherry diagram. So I know my whole is 9 because it said that, and I'm going to do, I've got 1, 2, 3 on the top string, so 3 is my part, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom string. So I know 3 and 6 make 9. So I did the top string and the bottom string. Okay, you might want to look at the spots on the stripes, the colours. I'll leave that up to you, but have a go at doing some cherry diagrams to have a match that. So pause the video and have a go. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go at some of your own, and now I'm going to show you some. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are stripy. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 which are not, so I'm going to write it like this as a number sentence, and I know I've got 9 as my whole. Okay, remember you can write it in different ways. You might have already done it in a cherry diagram or bar model, that doesn't matter. Okay, so we have 5 as stripy and 4 as spotty, which makes 9. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. So here I have a bar model, and I've got my parts as 4 and 5, but my whole is missing. So if I've got 4 and 5, what would my whole be? Go get some cubes, some Lego toys, whatever you've got in your house if you need some help, or you could just use your fingers, put 4 fingers up and 5 fingers up. Some of you might just even know the answer. So part as 4, part as 5, I know that my whole must be 9. 4 and 5 make 9. Well done if you got that right. Okay, so now what I want you to do is, I've got some number sentences today, all a little bit different, but there is a missing number in each one. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to have a go. So there might be a missing number here, it might be at the beginning, it might be at the end, okay? But also sometimes your answer might be at the beginning and your number sentence the other way with the missing part at the end. So just have a look, okay, at those number sentences carefully, have a go, okay, and then if you play the video after you've paused it, after you've done them, the answers will come on. But also email Mrs. Jackson and Miss Creasy your work, because as I say, we do look forward to seeing that. So pause the video now, otherwise you'll see the answers. So here are the answers, okay, so pause the video again, check them against the ones that you've done. Hopefully you've got them right. If you didn't, maybe have a look, see where you went wrong. Okay, maybe ask your grown-up, or like I say, email over to Mrs. Jackson and Miss Creasy. We do look forward to seeing your work. And if you weren't unsure of something, do let us know, and then maybe we can help you as well. So, hope you're all keeping well and staying safe, whole class. Speak to you soon.